Welcome to this completely renovated main floor condo in Stony Plain. Enjoy cooking in the chef's kitchen with convenient breakfast bar. This open concept design is bright and inviting. There is new paint and vinyl plank throughout the entire unit. Off the living area is the covered patio that looks onto a forest. The first bedroom is bright and spacious. The main bathroom is just one of two full bathrooms in this home. The master bedroom features his and hers closets, and a 4-piece ensuite. The ensuite has plenty of counter and cupboard space. There is also ensuite laundry with new front-load washer and dryer. The lobby is bright and features a secure mail area. There is also secure, heated underground parking. There is a banquet room that can be booked for parties. Come and check out this great home today.